Terra Luna Price Prediction 2025. Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head toward the video. Are you thinking of investing in one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market, Luna? In less than a year, Luna took its price from under $1 to an all-time high price of $103, which let it dominate the market. 2021 was a year when Luna made a shift in the market and grew so big no one had ever imagined it to be. Even though it's a stablecoin and is backed up by assets like the US dollar, no one can precisely predict what price it can achieve within a few years. We know Luna's exceptional growth might have urged you to invest in such a growing network. But do you know what price Luna can achieve within 4 years? What if you invest in Luna today and sell it in 2025? If you have some money to invest so that you can pocket profit in the long run, then perhaps Luna seems a great fit for that. But knowing what price it can achieve in the future is important as well. Therefore, let's talk about Terra Luna Price Prediction 2025 to finally decide whether you should invest in it or not. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more insightful videos about the crypto world. Let's get started with what Terra is and why it has been the center of attention since last year. Terra is a blockchain and a protocol that creates stablecoins to be used for daily life transactions. Since Terra is a decentralized finance medium and builds stablecoins on its blockchain, it designs the future of cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins are always backed up by some assets like the US dollar that makes their price less volatile. Even though the stablecoins are cryptocurrencies, they have more chances to dominate, retain their price growth, and bring profits gradually. Luna, in the same way, is a stablecoin and is Terra's native cryptocurrency that is expected to be used for all sorts of financial dealings. Being one of the fastest growing transaction mediums that uses stablecoins like Luna, Terra has shown exceptional growth in just 1 year. The price increase has been so extraordinary that investors had to pick Luna as their next investment. Luna started 2021 with the price less than $1, and soon it started to take advantage of the bullish market. Its price started to grow faster than the analysts had expected. In just 3 months, it achieved $19 from $1, and at the end of 2021, in December, it hit its all-time high price of $103. This price growth means a profit of 128,000% for the investors who invested at the end of 2020. This is the very reason Terra performed remarkably since then, due to the reason that investors had their belief intact in Terra. If Terra was not a stablecoin, it would achieve a high price anyway, but would never retain it. However, Terra did retain its price, and at present, it is being traded at $92.14. This is the very reason why Terra became the center of attention in the market. Its growth is permanent, while the loss chances are negligible. However, no one can say with certainty that Terra will only see price appreciation with no price decline. This is where we need to know what price Luna can achieve in 2025. At present, Luna is being traded at $92.14. And is experiencing price increase every day. What it really means is Luna's price will continue to grow without seeing any particular decline. This becomes possible due to the fact that it is a stablecoin. One of the reasons why investors are taking more interest in Luna is its stable nature. Luna tries to create a buffer zone when every other cryptocurrency experiences a price decline. Therefore, it keeps its price at the highest point in the market. And when there is a period of price appreciation in the market, Luna grows, taking the price to the highest point achievable. This becomes a reality after seeing what this stablecoin has achieved in less than a year. Its price has jumped from a mere 80 cents to $92.14, which is in itself a milestone only a few cryptocurrencies can achieve. Due to this reason, Luna has a brighter future according to analysts. Its market is quite bullish, whether the overall market is or not. According to analysts, in the mid-2022, Luna will hit $170, while the lowest price it can achieve is $142.85. In 2023, Luna will only see an increase in price with no depreciation at all. The growth will be so ideal that investors can invest in the start of 2023 and get a terrific profit at the end of 2023. The lowest price in 2023 will cluster around $131, while the highest price will be $231. 2024 will bring more appreciation to Luna's price, and the lowest price will stay around $182. If the market stays bullish for Luna, possibly it will hit $325 by the end of 2024. It is the year 2025 upon which every investor has their eyes. Luna will experience a constant increase in the price that will continue until the end of 2025. In January 2025, Luna will be traded at about $305, while in February, the price will be at around $312. March will experience a big jump, and the price will stay around $327. This will continue to rise until August 2025, when Luna's price will surpass the $400 mark. September will see a price of $415, while in October 2025, Luna would easily hit $433. November and December 2025 would be crucial for the investors and Luna as a whole. In November 2025, the price will linger at around $452, while during December, Luna will experience the price to be near $485. From 2022 to straight 2025, the price analyst says that there will be no decline in the price at all, which is pretty extraordinary. If you invest in Luna today and hold your coins until 2025, you can pocket a price increase of 527%, meaning if you invest only $1,000 today in Luna, they will be worth around $5,000 and possibly more. Since there will be a continuous price increase, you can start trading and buy and sell Luna many times in a single year. Only buying and holding them straight until 2025 is not the only option to pocket profit. If you were earlier hesitant to invest in Luna, then perhaps now you know how exceptional its market is. But should you invest in Luna? Luna is among a few of those cryptocurrencies that have the potential to grow your invested amount of money. No doubt, you can invest in any of the cryptocurrency you want, but there won't be many cryptocurrencies that can bring your profit as Luna does. Plus, there are quite a few crypto coins that create a buffer in the bearish market to protect you from loss. Therefore, if you have some money to invest and you want to see it growing, then perhaps investing in Luna will be the sound decision you can make. There is no doubt that the price appreciation is not that fierce as you often see in most cryptocurrencies. But this becomes the very reason why Luna is marked as the safest option to invest if you don't want to lose your money. Let's do a recap now. Luna is the native currency of Terra, which is a decentralized blockchain medium certain to be used in everyday transitions. Luna is a stablecoin and can offer a cushion against any kind of losses. In the past 1 year, Luna increased its price from only 80 cents to its present price of $92, which makes a top pick for investment. Due to its stable nature, it can bring you more profits in the bull market, while in a bear market, it will save you from a price decline. In 2025, Luna is expected to hit $485 from $92, which means a profit of more than 527%. Did you know Terra's Luna could achieve such a price within 4 years? Don't be shy to comment right below in the comment section. Does this price forecast encourage you to invest in Luna? If you were earlier uncertain about Terra's future, then now you know it's bright. Make your investment before the price rises. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos about crypto news and updates. Until the next video, stay tuned.